The one thing about the programme that'll stay with me, I think, is mostly the relationships forged during the programme. Those have been hugely transformative. Knowing other writers that are similar to me and other writers that are different to me has been massive. And I think we'll definitely all kind of stick it in a little group together.
The people that I've met through the programme who... I can't believe I've been living in Wales this whole time, and there have been so many writers who are like me, going through the same things I've been going through, and I didn't know any of them, and now I do.
The mutual support from the cohort and the way we've kind of bonded with each other and the way we've kind of shared work and kind of shared successes, and that's been, really supportive and really beneficial to have that kind of community there as well.
The sort of way, the offers that the rest of the cohort have been able to give me, especially when I did my writer's room, have been invaluable, and I still think about it every time I put pen to paper.
The Hoyle that we now have, I can now say that we are a group. So we've made contacts and friends that we will, I think, keep.